Morning guys. Yeah man. Out here without fear. As you can see, we're at the HQ right now. Yeah man, so today guys is Monday. Yeah man, today is Monday. Yeah man, Monday the day when them say the storm will come. So as you guys saw before, we did all of our preparations already. We pull up our boat and everything. So we don't really have nothing much to do right now. But as I tell you guys before, you go see the other rest of fishermen them running up and down. So that's what happening this morning. Go on Gaza. Yeah man, that is exactly what is happening. Everybody are run up and down now. Like when they fall them want lay. So my boat pull up and actually somebody start clean the bottom of the boat already. Me not even know who. But I guess I want a man them a clean boat. Them start clean it. So them take the work. You know? The man will start it already. I feel him work, so him just start it just to control the work. Yeah man, so the two boat them up, 3 mile boat right here. My one right there, so what we are gonna do is go check in now upon the rest of guys them. We are pull up. Yeah, we are gonna walk the beach and see who and who actually pulling up their boat right now. There's a lot of the person them where if pull up them boat guys, them live kinda live a distance away from the beach. But them should have do them preparation from yesterday when we had the hours. Cause we do our preparation from Sunday when we hear that the storm is coming. So I just take a walk now guys. We even have boats coming in from out. We have boat coming in from out of sea right now, as you can see. Let's zoom in and see if we can see the boats. One zoom, two zoom, one zoom. Yeah, we have boats coming in. Yeah man. So yeah guys, we're out here without fear man. Beautiful old Harbour Bay again. What we think we're gonna do, you know guys? Yeah, we wanna give you guys a drone shot at the whole fishing beach before the hurricane, and this is Monday. Yeah, the hurricane forecast to come tonight. Yeah man, so we only have about 8 hours before the storm hit Jamaica. So you know, we don't have much time. But as I said before, we prepare already. Yeah man, we make all necessary preparations already. So we don't have to worry. All me I gotta do now guys is just video and fly the drone. Yeah, that's my job for the rest of the day. Just record and fly the drone. Yeah man, guys, preparation is key, as I always said before. Yeah man, so same thing what we do guys when we pull out, when we take out our net. That's the same thing that is happening right here. Yeah man, the man them take out them net out of the boat to pull up the boat. So not much happening down here today. Not much happening down here in the morning. So look at that guys. That is it. That's a part of the storm that is coming in. Yeah man. All bad weather. No good weather, nothing good. Yeah, man. So we're out here without fear, guys. Yeah, guys, so stay tuned and enjoy this drone footage. When I finish, we're gonna come back right here.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no,
Yeah, so guys, Dream Island there. I go and clean our theme boat
Yeah,
right now.
I'm going to work on $1,500 a man, you know? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I have to pay myself, you know, guys. Yeah. I might pay myself $2,000 too, because at $1,500 a man that charge me. Yeah. So if I go pay myself now as the owner, then I'm going to take $2,000. Yeah.
So here we have a little guy right there looking some Irish moss. Look at that. Some Irish moss out
Somebody else on job.
We don't get nothing.
Eh?
We don't get nothing. I thought thunderstorm and look at rain and breeze. We don't get nothing. More.
What's the rent on the storm now?
We don't get no weather.
No, tell.
You gotta look to clean off, you know, take out the cement and clean off.
So what you say we all get?
We get tropical depression.
Oh. So what we all get? What you think we all get? No. The boat then half a job. Alright.
I'll have just tie out the boat.
So guys, you hear where the fisherman they say a while ago? Nothing now come. Yeah, no. Guys, better you prepare than you not come here. More than not prepare. And you go come. Yeah, man, so that's the case down here now. A lot of persons that say nothing now come, this now come, that now come. But me I go there cover the storm, so all of who now want to drop them boat, all of the person them say nothing now come and leave them boat in the water. We are going to see what go on. Yeah man, them say man I go say government no good and the government not help and the government this and the government that. But I don't have much to say. You know, we're just gonna show you the action when it starts. You know, so big up on yourself and we're out here without fear. No I lie, only storm with fear. Yeah. So that's why we prepare. Yeah man. That is it. So we don't scare. So guys, wanna stay tuned and watch what go on now. So check in back on the beach. Cause we know all the matter guys. Anytime you see rain and breeze start, everybody are gonna run up and down. And we know. We're used to this. Yeah man. Been here fishing for 20 years. So and we live here for 30 odd years. So you know. We know the protocol for fishermen, so you soon see everybody start run come and start run up and down. This way I come guys is not a normal weather. As you can see, it start line up in the east already. Look what go on. Look at that. Let me show you what go on right now. If we zoom in, you guys can see exactly what I want. Maybe me zoom too much. Look at that. Look at that. That is the storm right there. Coming in. Yeah man, that's the direction it is coming in from. Yeah, so when I listen, when nobody else I say, yeah man, we only listen the weatherman them. So I just stay tuned and watch what I go on with. Yeah, 3 Islands are clean the next side now.
Yeah. Yeah, cleaning long overdue guys. But not done before the time. When you say like this, you spend a lot of money for fuel. So you benefit the people overseas. We don't produce no fuel out here. Yeah. Yeah, the maintenance to them people over there well high. You have to send them money just because the boat not clean off. Yeah. So guys, let me tell you, I work on $2,000, you know. So $1,500, let me have to pay a man for cleaning. So I pay myself 2,000, you know. So it's still going on the book. Either as capital or expense, you know. Yeah. Yes, guys. What about the cheese, I know? Yeah. That is it.
Barry. Anything you come out of the I'm going to do it. Buy a long time to your bottom man over go. Buy in all of them bed.
Yeah.
Rasta where Camille lumping where you say yo look boy, what that AI? Rasta say right now I pay rice in my head for what there.
I'm saying cream man.
The right thing in my good food man. You know I just said 3 egg me fry with one tuna. Mix up the egg and the tuna and I basin. And fry in a pot same way. That is it man. I want pack of crackers.
What me know? I'm one pack of crackers and some square biscuit.
Almost one.
I'm one pack of crackers and some more for square biscuit. And some more for square biscuit.
Big plate of rice and peas with lobster, fish head. More than man, 3 small food man up now, one big house, it's how easy in the bread. I'm tell you, lobster, fish, steamed fish, okra, vegetable, a big plate of one about 3 small food man up now, one big plate. I'm just saying, I want to really see this man all jerk up this in the bread. You want to see man?
Yeah.
See excitement start down the center.
Yeah, I see them.
You see man shit for the man.
See everybody a job down there now. Yes then me a job them. Every man I say they know hear nothing about no star man. They don't know what kind of star me I talk about.
No people know what channel is. But you say boy holding lives so we can't live.
Yeah. Yeah guys, so water clean up here now. Yeah man, the boat are clean up. Eh? A whole boat me up fix over. The whole boat. And time you see me dry up down there so? A whole boat. A whole boat. I just have fix the whole keel, fix everywhere and paint it back over. I change all the name. A Cameron Family TV me I put on it. The YouTube channel name me I put on it. And guys, as you guys saw before in the previous video, we done all our preparation already. So what we're gonna do now is catch some of the guys them where just do them preparation. We have about 5 to 6 hours before the storm reach the island. So we just go and record to the guys and show them what going down here in a beautiful old harbour bay. Yeah man, that is it. Yeah man, so man then down this pull up for them boat now. I guess then them must say now. I guess then get a message now say storm will come. Yeah man, so them are going with them preparation guys. But as you can see there's a lot of boat in our water. A whole lot of boat in our water same way. The owner them say them not think no storm will come. So, you know. We just have to watch and see what going on guys, because a lot of persons say nah come, but me nah take no check. Me nah take no check, because me no want to be the one who up on TV and say my boat mash up and how much $1 million for your boat and the government nah help and the government nah this and the government nah that. And the government provide a meteorological service where you guys can watch and do what you have to do. Pull up on a boat, put it, carry it to see if it are do what you're supposed to do. And then, you know, you are going to blame the government. So we not do that, guys. We make sure pull up for boat them and make sure everything set in case it come. If it not come, the boat not the boat then still are there. You know, so we're out here. I go and watch what go on. We don't have a lot of weather as yet. We just have a couple small waves rolling in. Yeah man, you can see that the waves are getting a little bit more active. As you can see right there, we have a couple like waves rolling in. But nothing much, guys. But as I said before, we have 5 hours here before the storm actually come in. So I want to just stay tuned and watch what go on. Yeah, so guys, we in our HQ now. We just hope nothing to do with HQ. You know, we just hope we not get no damage in the HQ. You know, we just go and hope for the best. Yeah man, and just stay tuned and watch what go on. When the whole heap of rain and things start, we're gonna show you guys. Oh yeah, the HQ much firmer now, you know, guys, because after burial we do a lot of cement work in at the bottom of the HQ. Yeah man, we concrete the bottom, so the concrete kind of hold the posts them together. Yeah man, it hold the HQ a whole lot better now, so it's much stronger now. Yeah man, so just I hope for the best though, guys. Yeah man, and hope, but I'm just I hope nobody no lose their life and all of that, because you know, it's kind of rough, you know, guys. You're there, you live a go on, and then just one little weather come and, you know, your life gone just like that. So we are pray for all of the people all over Jamaica. You know, just watch out for landslide and, you know, flooding and all of that. I want to make sure no cross no water, guys. We want to see a rush. Because water we a rush, it's very dangerous. Don't bother chance it. Yeah man, don't walk across the water where I rush, and don't drive across the water where I rush. Me I beg you. Yeah man, and be safe everybody. So we're out here without fear. Yeah, some more preparations are going, guys. Preparations are going, preparation for days. Everybody are run up and down now. Yeah man, and I try to get everything in order before the storm actually reach. As I tell you guys, we only have a couple hours. As you can see, we have the dark cloud them rolling in already. So you don't know, we don't have much time before things get bad. Yeah man.
Yes, sir. It's hot. But I say tropical storm Rafael or Rafael, anything you want name. Gosh. Me have to shelter from the breeze, cause trust me, from the dust, sorry. Here dust a blow up. Yeah. The rain are coming guys, just want to run like a thief in the night. And then thick cloud the guys found us. Still in cloud there, I don't know what's the whole heap of rain, not even watch all it. What there? Let's you see come up and wet up my foot. The way up. Oh God. The sea come up and wet up my foot. And you know what happened guys? The breeze we are coming off of the sea really cold. I'm nearly not having no clothes, so I have to go put on one sweater. And guys, you see them boat there down there, so we're in the water. And then you can see good boats. Yeah, you see those boats. We'll just wait 5 minutes from now, you're going to see the one of them run come. So they put them there now. You're going to see the one of them run come and try to get out the boat out of the water when they see the weather are coming up. Because everybody keeps saying no tropical storm now come. So the camera on live there now. And me there so I do a video and camera on them on live. My back cover. Hey, make sure I'm back. Listen, I have to go put on sweater or something. Yeah. Cold.
I'll get the hurricane suit them now.
Yeah man, I'm cold already. So camera on do live. I mean while camera on do the live guys. Me I do my own video. Cause you don't know how we say teamwork make the dream work. Eh?
What is it? Teamwork make the dream work.
Yes.
Yes, so
listen.
Oh dear Lord. The boat now just come guys.
The cold man, I have to go stand one sweater party. So guys, you know, just stay tuned and watch what going on. We're gonna try to give you guys like little pieces of video, our coverage and what's going on. Wait, tropical storm Rafael. What's name? Rafael. What name? Rafael.
Rafael.
Rafael. Rafael, me I call him. Coming out bite my tongue.
Rafael.
So yeah, we're just stay tuned and watch what going on guys. The rain, as you can see the wave them have come up in a HQ number 2. Watch there. Me I go put on my clothes, yeah? So now stay tuned guys, stay tuned. We're out here. Me and my clothes see me. Yeah. You don't see what I have on? Look what I have on. Me have to go put on some clothes because guess what, me I get really cold. So I stay tuned and watch what I'm going guys. Me soon come back. Me cool. So now look now guys. You guys remember all those dark clouds that was in the sky? Then turn white, so I know so the rain a fall and it a come upon the mainland now. And then we have some fishermen. Let me show you. Some fishermen down there, so I pull up to them boat. In the rain, and guess what guys, we have to run go back underneath HQ too because the rain is coming real hard. So me I run go back underneath HQ.
Yeah guys, so back on the beach seeing we in our whole hour beer. We just a check in back now. We still have about, let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 about 12 boat. Yeah, about 12 boat in the water same way. Yeah man, but most of the boat up at our side. Yeah, most of the boat up by the HQ side, then pull up and out of the water. Yeah man, so I guess then 12 boat, yeah, well if in the water, maybe them are read one different weather from what we are read, but you know, they must know what them are do. So yeah guys, the sun come back out now, and you know, as you can see, the rain gone, the breeze subside, so you know, we're just gonna be here checking out the rest of the day. So, I'm gonna just stay tuned guys for the next update. Yeah man, we're always out here without fear, and we'll give you guys a whole full day coverage. Yeah man, so that's what we're doing today. So bless up on yourself and stay tuned for the next update coming up shortly. Bless up everyone. We're out here without fear.